I'm at Dollar Tree. I went to different Dollar Tree today. I want to show you guys what's new and lot of new stuff in here. So I will show you guys inside. Let's go inside. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Let's get in. Welcome inside Dollar Tree. I'm at Dollar Tree. Look at those Christmas decoration and package idea. And let's go look and keep looking around. I will show you a lot of cool stuff today. This is gift box for 액세서리 것은 아니고 3 gift box. That's new. This is small gift box. This is small towel. Just come on the side. So cute. It's very nice. Here's a name tag. This is 100. So this is a name tag for our gift. And look at these slippers, so cute. This is gray. And look at these socks, blue. That's so cute. Extra socks for holidays. Oh, look at that, so comfortable. A lot of different shape. Oh, look at gloves. That's nice, blue. Oh, blue, sky color. Black and white. And look at that socks. Wow, that's nice. I didn't see this color before. Oh, look at this unicorn, so cute. And flamingo right there. Wow, this is bling bling shiny. Very shiny socks. I like that. Oh, and gingerbread socks. It's so cute. And all the flip flops. And look at this elf. So cute. Oh, look at this puppy. And look at the stocking holders and snowman. That's so cute. We got that, of course. And this is Elf holding the present. You want Santa? That's cute. Look at this decorations and gift bag and small toys. Look at that. Still cute. And this is last minute gift. And look at that. You can turn on the light. Let me turn on the light. I will show you guys. And look. Looks so nice. Looks so beautiful. Night time. And have green. Found your happy place. That's nice. Oh, look at that. You make a difference in the world. Yep. You can just clip in your memo or pictures. That would be great. Oh, look at that. Home is where the heart is. Oh, I love that. And look at that. A lot of small toy. You should check it out. And look at this candle. This is blueberry pie. And this smells good. And this is apple pie, apple cinnamon pie. Smells great too. And other puzzles and blocks. And here's some chocolate, candy canes. And look at that. This is cute. Cookies. And Frozen 2 only in Dollar Tree. And this is tattoo. Sorry, you cannot really see that. Another Frozen 4, Frozen 2. And they sold a lot. So, and this is other Frozen 2. This is all for Frozen 2, and missing a lot of things. You should check it out if you still want to get one more. This is Olaf, and this is other Frozen. And I got some. This is cute. You can put a sticker. So, and look at that sticker too. That will be a great gift. Stocking stuffer. And look at this area. Wow, very nice. Our gift wrap. Very organized. And look at this tape, scotch tape, and 2 for 1. So I just got one. I need it later. And look at the envelope with already have a bubble inside, so it will be easier to send the stuff. And look at these books for the school suppliers. And look at this cute Mickey Mouse marker. That is so cute. I didn't see it before. That's cute. And a lot of books. Look at that book. I searched the price at Amazon was $8.95. Wow. If someone really loves books, you should check it out, Dollar Tree. They have a lot of different books, like kid books, or someone loved the book. You should maybe go check it out, because especially like this one is even still showing $11.04, but it was only $1, and it's Minecraft game. Something about the Minecraft game, so kid will love it. And a lot of different books like artwork, or even look at that book. I checked Amazon was $12.80 with a hardcover, and they do have a lot of school books, or kid books, and cookbooks, and comedy books, and a lot of different books. So I was very impressed, and a lot of different things. So, but you need a little bit of time to looking through, because they have a lot of different books. So we have to find which one you really like. And look at this small Bible and Joshua books for the kid too. Look at that, and look at this one. I saw that. Oh, look at that, 12 pets of Christmas. Oh, that's cute. Different books through here. And this is a lot of coloring books, a lot of documentary, and a lot of puzzle books. Look at the puzzle all the way bottom. This is about space. And this is probably about Bible, and this is about turtle. And look at that. Other books, Ben Carson books, and Generation Chef. That's cool. I didn't see that one, but that was very nice. You definitely need to check out the books from Dollar Tree. And look at this beautiful butterfly wings, or mermaid. Oh, look at that. That's so cute. Look at this necklace. And look at this hair. It was so soft. Looks like Elsa, but it's not from Disney. So I think they can use for when kids, great for them there when they're playing. That would be great. And look at that, a lot of puzzles. And this is all craft. And look at that. Wow. they give you a DIY idea, and look at these stickers and all three different kind 3D, whether wood or paper or different kind where you want to use for your DIY. They will be great. Oh my, I was very impressed, and look at that. I never seen this like great different kinds. This is my first time going here. This Dollar Tree was new, and I drove like hours, and look at that. I was very happy about that. This will be perfect for home kitchen DIY or cups or diary or anything you want to put it in for the DIY idea. That would be great. You should check it out and look at these letters, different shape, zebra design, or just pink, or just normal flat. And look at this beautiful butterfly and jewel, different colors. And look at that. Oh my, I was very excited. I can't wait to go back there again. And look at this angel. This was foam, but everything is this castle and this like crown. This all wood. This is butterfly. It was wood and a lot of frames. You can just do your design, or you can teach your kid, or you can do artwork at home. And I was very impressed. And a lot of different design, animals and sheep or cars, or hearts or clothes or sign or star, flower, everything, even hello and like love, like simple letters. You can do a lot of different design too. And look at this wooden box, so cute. And this relax, yeah, I need relax. Look at this tray, and this is for good tray or storage for the kid. And look at this small box, perfect for gift box. You can color everything you want color. Look at that, so cute. I love it. You can put the picture, you can cut it, and you can put it in. You can do a lot of DIY with this. And dinosaur or puppy, oh my. And look at here. I know some of them we already see my normal Dollar Tree. Well, when here it looks more like connecting together, and I really love it. And this is glue. This is clay and different colors, and I thought that's really cool. And look, this is just different. I think it's same, but you can use for wood and plastic and paper and letters and glue sticks and different paints. And look at this string. It was a little bit thicker, and look at that, very shiny orange. And look at that glue. Look at all the glue, and look at this long glue. I didn't see local my normal Dollar Tree. And this is look at Crayola brush, and this is metallic pencil. Oh, that's cool. And sponge brush. That is great for DIY, especially wood. And look at this paint area, and look at this Toy Story 4 and Frozen 2 with 4 colors with the brush with the small papers. And this is 6 paint tray. That's cute. All different colors with paints. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. And look at that. Look at that, all different colors. Wow. Look at the bottom, you can see canvas, different size. You can do a lot of DIY with that one too, or artwork. Look at this storage and this bottles and embossing when you do the quilting. And look at this. This is chalk writer, and this is pink. Well, I will just get it blue. Yep. I like pink too, but I like blue for this one. And other I showed you guys before, but look at that. This one is chalkboard with a tag with a pen, so you can just put in your DIY already. A lot of things already done. That would be great. Look at that. Wow, natural dirt court. And look at this chalkboard tags. Look at that, it's 4-piece. You should check it out. It's so cute. Pen. Look at that. Glue. eraser. That's very interesting. That's cool. This is for the quilt. Look at this finger protection, 3-piece, $4. Wow, that's good. And this is pop dot tape. Amazing. And wood craft. Wow, look at that. So impressed by here. Wow. And look at this feather, different colors. You can do a lot of different work. Just look at that. Already have a color on it, so you can just use for any artwork. Look at that, a lot of different like accessory. Oh, look at this yarn. Wow, different color, different design, different texture, and look at that. Wow. Look at that, shiny. I like that purple, and I like this pinkish color as well. And this one floral, low. And look at that, perfect for gift. Look at the buttons. Oh, look at this, is already have container together and numbers. Cool. And different drawer for the accessory. Oh wow, look at that. I think you can make a blanket for this one. Only $1. I only saw blue and mixed colors and other yarn in the bottom. Wow, I was very impressed about their craft area, and look at that. This is really thick glass. It was in the decoration area. I think you can use just put some candle or something. Look at that. I think this for the weddings. I think that would be really great gift too for the weddings. Look at that, a lot of candles holder. Oh, unicorns, and look at this color. That's cute. And look at that. Look at this, like little like gray color with the glass. Looks really like fine looking, really great. And this is candle. Other rocks and different DIY ideas. Candle holders, black and gold, rose gold colors. And look at this glass, those glass candle holders. And look at that, awesome. Look at this window. You can see Mickey shirts in the background. A lot of stuff. I was very impressed. Look at these stickers. Hello, this is me. And a lot of different design and a lot of candles. Cooking. Oh, those are cute. I love it. Candles. Oh, look at that. Mermaid. First, let me smell. Smell like laundry, like fresh laundry wash. Smell, I like the fresh. And look at that. A lot of artwork. Out of office. Yep. What is this? Mini fan. How about we get one for Nana? For cruise. How about we get a blue? Nana's favorite color, blue. Perfect for summertime. This is new with the hummus. Oh, chocolate JIP. And look at that. A lot of cookies and a lot of different things. Great. That's all for today. Today I found a lot of cool stuff, and thank you so much for watching today. And don't forget subscribe my channel and give me a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, just give me a comment below. And see you next time. Bye bye.